Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to go through installing the Python packages that we're going to need for the data science portion of this class. So I'm on the course website right now, and if I scroll down to the installing Python section of the website, I can see that at the beginning of the course, we all needed to install Python, and we've already done that. But now that we are moving on to using some Python packages, if you don't have these, let me show you what that looks like. So I'm going to open up idle. Oh, I already have it. Open. And you can see, I guess maybe I'll quit and I'll just reopen it. Okay. So I have just opened up idle, and if you recall, the syntax for importing Python packages is either to say import something like math is a package that always comes with Python, so if I import math, this would work, and then I would have access to any of the functions or classes defined in the math package. But there are some packages that don't come with your Python installation, and one that we're going to use is Numpy. And so oftentimes Numpy is aliased using the name NP, and so I'm just going to import it that way. But when I try to run this, I get an error, module not found. I have no module named Numpy, and that's because I have not installed it on my computer, or my Python does not know about it. So let's go back to the website and see how to install Numpy, and we'll install the rest of the Python packages as well. So it says, in order to download Python, we needed to follow the instructions in this first sentence. Then, to install packages, open a terminal window and run each of the following. And so, a terminal window, on my Mac, I find it by using Spotlight search and searching terminal. I already have a terminal open, so maybe I'll say make a new terminal window. On a Windows machine, you might, I believe this is called command prompt, but if you're having any issues, just let me know in the Slack and I can help you out. So here I have a terminal window. I'm not inside Python, I'm just in the terminal, and I just want to copy what this says. Let's see if I can make it any bigger for you. So in order to install Numpy, I'm going to use a Python package manager called pip, and I just type pip3 install -- user. That's telling the computer to only install it for your user, and then the package that I want to install, which in this case is Numpy. So if I run this, I can see pip doing its work, and I get these yellow warnings that I'm using a old version, and maybe it's installing some things in some weird places, but these yellow warnings for now, we'll just say they're fine. And now let's see if I can import Numpy. And it looks like I can. Just to test it out, I will just try a command from within Numpy, which is to generate an array from a range. Let me say from 1 to 10, and it looks like that's working. So that's how you install Numpy. You might already have it. You may have installed it at the beginning. So just open up your idle shell and just see if you have it, and if you don't, go to the terminal and install it. And at this point, you could also install the rest of these packages. I may already have these. Oops, --user, matplotlib. Oh, maybe I did not. So you can just install all 4 of these packages, and then you should be able to use them when you need them later in the course. All right, thank you, and please ask if you have any questions.